We have this procurement procedures are designed to manage this risk by ensuring that the search of potential contractors or suppliers is thorough enough to identify the best value for money. There is a clear contract that is specified in detail what works or goods or services to be procured and the conditions on the site. There is inclusion of guarantees. Example, yung performance security for the buyer if the supplier fails to respect the conditions of the contract. So kaya may mga yung purpose ng securities. So ating hindi tumupad ng supplier or contractor, meron tayong makukuha sa kanila. Laging pabot, of course, sa government sa natin. Ang ating focus. Siyempre, government, hindi tayo
Ubus na.
so that's standard model for standard model of bagay may increase mag-determine natin then hindi tayo masagot sa case na possible in terms of procurement.